Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to download your WhatsApp status images and videos. Alright, how you'll be able to download every video and every image that you find on your WhatsApp status. Maybe images that people have posted on their status, or videos they have posted on their status. Whether you are using business WhatsApp, or you are using GB WhatsApp GB, or you are using the normal WhatsApp, this would be very important to you. I know a lot of people know how to do this, but then there are majority of persons that find it difficult to download images from their status. All right, so stay close to this video and watch till end, and at the end of the video you'll be grateful that you watch the video. So what you are going to be using in this video is an app called WhatsApp Saver. Save WhatsApp. Let me show you that. WhatsApp Status Saver. That is the name of the app. WhatsApp Status Saver. There are so many WhatsApp status saver. You can see this one, status saver. You can see this one, status saver. You can see that I have a lot of status saver here. One that is on white and green background at the right hand side. That is the one you are going to be downloading. All right, so when you go to Play Store, let me just show you. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. Just type WA Saver. All right, let's search for it. Okay, if I see that, like I told you, you are going to see a whole lot of WhatsApp status saver. Let's check that name again. Okay, okay, WA, then status. All right, so let's return to our Play Store. Search for WA, then status, then I think the next one is saver. Let's check it. Okay, is here is a lot of app have the same name. All right, but you just have to look out for the one that you are looking for. Okay, this is it here. WhatsApp status saver for business WhatsApp and for normal WhatsApp. You can see it. This is the particular app here, the one that read WA and WA business. That's WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. That's the particular one you are going to download. If I click it open now, you are going to see, you see, it's asking me to upgrade. All right, but let me just go ahead and upgrade. But if it is for you, if you click it, it's going to ask you to install. All right, the reason why it's asking me to upgrade is because I already have the app. All right, that is why it's asking me to upgrade. So after your installation, the next thing you want to do is to click on open and open the app. Is that okay? I have finished upgrading. I'll simply click on open. Please note the name and note the logo. I'll click on open. All right, you say welcome. This app allow you to save WhatsApp and WhatsApp business status, recover deleted messages by reading your notifications, and also to many amazing features. Just go ahead. You can read all of these things. Next, allow. All right, so I'll just click on that. This thing is just asking you to be able to know where you want storage. Where do you want to save your work? Where do you want it to be saved? Is it on status? Say use this folder, allow it. So all this image you are seeing here, okay, you can see you do the same thing here, allow. All of these images you are seeing here are the images that are on my WhatsApp business, on my normal WhatsApp. These are the images here on my normal WhatsApp. Then if you go to WhatsApp business, All of the images you are seeing here are the images that are on my WhatsApp business. Is that okay? These are the images on my WhatsApp business. All right, so anyone that I want to download now, as I'll simply click on it and download. All right, so is there anyone I want to download? Okay, let me say I want to download this little bride. Once I click on it, I'll click on save. You can see where they wrote save. I'll click on save. The same thing applies to video. If I want to also get video, you can see this one is video. You can see it's playing. You can see if I want to download this video, I'll simply click on the place where I have save and it will be saved. Another way to download it is also come here, click on even without opening it, you can just click on it and then click on save. It will save automatically. All right, so that is simply how you'll be able to save both the images and the videos. The images and the videos, they are all together. Just save as much as you want to save. Is that okay? All right, thank you for staying tuned in this video. I know you have learned a lot. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and drop your comment at the comment section. Let's see how this video has been of a blessing to you. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.